Precious. What you doing, Precious? My precious girl. Mama loves hersies. It's my precious girl. She likes to kick her little legs back from time to time because she's precious. She's precious. And Mama loves a kitty cat. And Mama does. She's precious. She's precious. Mama loves you more than her luggage. You know Mommy does. Love my precious girl. I love hersies. You know Mommy does. I love you more than my luggage, girl. Mommy loves the girl. See what she does? She paces. She paces. Is what she does. She paces. It's hard to keep up with the kitty cat. It is hard to keep up with hersies. My shoes are in the bag, and she's using them as a pillow for a little feline head. She's precious. She's precious. I love you. She's pretty. She's pretty. What precious. We love hersies. We love the kitty cat. She'll be 14 in August. And we love hersies. Say hello, Pumpkin. That's my pretty girl. I got Pumpkin in October of 2007, and she's been a wonderful feline companion ever since. She's a good girl, but she's been sick, so please keep my precious kitty cat in your prayers. Thank you for stopping by.